Silver bullet.
Hello, Silver Bullet fanatics. I'm here with not one, but two classic filming locations. One for Beverly Hills Cop, and the other for Sledgehammer. And considering that one of the locations is for Sledgehammer, I saw something very interesting on the same street. Check this out. That looks just like Sledgehammer's car. Our first location here is 685 Whitmer Street, which is the location of Axel Foley's apartment. You see Axel Foley driving his car down the street, and he drives right past his hotel, and somewhere in the area of that Mustang, he does a U-turn and parks on the curb. When he returns back to his apartment where his friend is hiding out, gets murdered by the gang that shows up.
Here we go. I'm opening the door now, okay? Here we go. Alright, here we go.
Axel! Now!
I swear, if you ever show your face up there again,
I won't.
ever.
I won't.
Ever.
I promise you. I'm sorry. I fucked up. I'm sorry.
Ever. Oh!
Axel, I thought I told you to go to the hospital and get that bump on your head checked out.
Head is alright, man.
It's not a request, Axel.
I'm back here at the corner of 685 Whitmer Street, which is the location of Axel Foley's apartment. And I was gonna try to go inside, but the door is all gated up and it doesn't appear that there's anybody I could talk to gain access. So we're gonna move along to Sledgehammer. So in the pilot episode of Sledgehammer, he gets called back into work because he's been lifted from suspension.
Yeah, hello. Oh, just hang on a second.
Hey, people, let's show some consideration and keep it down, will you? I'm on a phone, huh? Hey, other people live here, all right?
Dang, noisy neighbors. Okay, go ahead, speak to me. You got it. I'll be right down. Do you hear that? I'm off suspension. Looks like they can't keep a good man down, huh? Or me either.
And when he's heading to work, he notices trouble up ahead, and he stops where that black car is, right before the stop sign. And in the middle of this intersection is a police officer, where Sledgehammer walks up to him and asks him what the trouble is. And he says we have a sniper on the roof. And Sledgehammer asks, has the building been evacuated? And he says yes.
Sledgehammer!
All right, what's going on? I gotta get to work.
I've got a sniper on that roof.
That no good yogurt eating creep. Is the building evacuated?
Yeah.
We got vermin on the roof. But I got an idea.
Who are you talking to?
Nobody.
And then he walks back to his car and gets a bazooka. After he gets his bazooka, he starts walking back down the street where the sniper is. And here's the building where the sniper was to the right of the roof. And he kept firing off bullets when Sledgehammer calls him a no good yogurt eating creep.
I think I got him.
So this building is called the Mayfair Hotel and Event Space at 1256 West 7th Street in Los Angeles. And I was very lucky to find this location because it's listed nowhere on the internet. And thanks to a YouTuber from 80s Life, he was doing a filming location for Beverly Hills Cop when I found the building. So this is going to be it for now, my Silver Bullet fans. I'll have more for you in the future. Please like, share, and subscribe.